Hi guys, welcome to Mbali Talks. In today's video, I actually want to share with you quickly a website that I actually have been trying out for a couple of days, and I thought it's actually worth sharing if you're somebody who's looking for quick ways to make money just watching ads and getting paid online. This is definitely a legit site because, like I said, I actually did register my account a couple of days ago, so let's get right into it. The website is called Time Banks, and they basically pay you to post on Facebook, view funny slideshows, play games, install apps, complete micro tasks, as well as answer surveys. Of course, with all the survey websites, you do want to know that you're most likely to make more money taking surveys than doing all the other things. But if you're somebody who doesn't get picked for those surveys, which is something that actually happens sometimes, then you always have the option of obviously doing all the other tasks that they have on the website. A bit more about Time Bucks. They say that you get daily bonuses, which means each day they run a competition where the top 100 earners win a nice bonus. Secondly, you start earning instantly, and this is very true because I also saw it after I just registered my account. In fact, I think I got a sign-on bonus of about $1. They say there's no approval process required for new sign-ups. You can just sign up in 5 seconds and start earning instantly. They also do have a referral program if you're somebody who has affiliate links that you want to share on your social media platforms in order for you to be able to also make money that way. They have a referral program, so you will earn commission on everyone you refer. For all those that would actually like to use my referral link, I have put it in the description box for you guys to obviously use it to access the site, as well as any advertising deposits that they make. So that could also be you if you're somebody who wants to participate in their referral program. They pay out weekly by paying everyone weekly with 6 different payout methods. I'm sure one of the payout methods is actually PayPal, which is what I basically put up on the account after I registered it. You can also check out other ways like Pioneer, Skrill, EFT, Amazon gift cards, etc. And they also have friendly support staff, which means should you need any help, their friendly support staff will answer all of your questions. You don't have to wait for days for a reply. They are always there to help you as much as possible. Does this sound too good to be true? Then definitely sign up and try it out, which is what we're going to do right now because I want to show you guys what my account already looks like. So this is basically what the Time Bucks account looks like. You're going to be able to see your earnings here. As you can see, I've earned a bit of money. This is a bit of the money that I've earned. It's not the total. Then this is the amount that I've made from referrals. Of course, because I haven't referred anyone because my account is new, there's no money there. Then, like I mentioned earlier, I actually got a sign-on bonus, I think of about $1 when I signed in. And this is the amount of money that I've made. So this is currently my total wallet, which is basically $1 or rather $1.4. When you come here, this is what you're going to see. There's something called a daily goal checklist, which is basically 6 things that you can do in order for you to be able to obviously gain a bonus. First of all, you complete a few surveys from the survey tab. You can complete 3 push clicks, you can complete 3 slideshows, you complete 3 push clicks, you attempt 3 tasks, as well as complete a click from the clicks tab. As you can see here, it's already marked green, which means I've already completed this for the day. But if I want a bonus, besides all the money that I'm going to make doing each and every one of these, if I want a bonus, then I need to complete this entire test. Also, if you complete the daily goal checklist 6 days in a row, you get to receive an even bigger prize. If you skip a day, then it basically resets back to 0. And again, because like I said, I haven't really been on this site for a very long time, I haven't been able to actually check in 6 days in a row because obviously this is one of the first few days that I have. Now we're going to look at the different ways that you can earn besides just the daily checklist. You're going to click earn here and come to this tab that opens up. You're going to find that the surveys, there's different content, there's tasks. You can also make money referring as well as offer walls. When you scroll down on the surveys, which is basically the highest way for you to be able to make money, and quite honestly, I haven't done any surveys on Time Bucks, but I'm definitely looking forward to getting selected for one of them. They have a lot of websites, as you can see, that host different surveys here. And the payment actually varies depending on how long you are going to spend doing that survey. However, a lot of the surveys you find, as you guys would know, they have screener questions before they can actually pick you for the survey, like your age, if you're female, your ethnicity, etc. But it's definitely worth checking them out. And I'm sure with this entire list of surveys, you can find 1 or 2 that you'd be able to take. For example, this one will pay you $1, this one will pay you 0.5, this one will pay you 0.12. It's easy surveys, quite honestly, which is why you find that maybe the money is not so much, and therefore it's surveys that you can do multiple times in a day. When you scroll down, you are able to see people that have recently completed some of the surveys. So say for example, you are in this country, you can see that this person completed this survey. You also have the option of actually participating in it so that you're sure that it's a survey survey that, for example, exists in your country. There's a lot of people on the different websites that come from different countries that you can see. They completed it 11 minutes ago, 10 minutes ago. In fact, when I was still preparing to do this video, I saw a lot of Nigerian flags for my Nigerian peeps that are always asking if some of the websites are actually valid in their country. I did see some Nigerian flags here earlier on when I was obviously opening up to prepare for the test, but maybe because of the fact that they work on time, they've probably gone because so that they can show the most recent people. So you make money using surveys. That's number one. The next way that you can make money on time bucks is through content. This is actually the easiest way for you to be able to make money, and it's how I've actually made all this money that you guys see here. You click ads, or you watch slideshows, or you engage with people's videos. Like say maybe the link leads you to that person's YouTube channel and you're supposed to leave a comment and or to do a like. You're going to get paid for that, as well as push clicks. Here's an easy example. It says make money by sharing your internet speed to the world. You're basically going to get paid 0.01 to view this content for 5 seconds. And even though they're saying you're going to share your content, quite honestly, you're only doing it for 5 seconds. So it's something that's definitely worth it. Also, while you're on there, the minute you click view, time buck starts counting down to the 5 seconds, and you're going to hear a ka-ching sound once you've actually completed that 5 seconds of viewing, because that is time bucks telling you that the money is now sitting in your wallet. Right now there are 25 offers. Earlier on there were about 30, and I think I've actually gone through a couple of them, which is why now for me there's only 25. And this is the amount of money to be made just from viewing content for like 5 seconds or 3 seconds. Sometimes it goes all the way up to 7 seconds. The next way to make money on time bucks is by doing their tasks. These tasks actually pay a bit more money than you're going to get for just viewing content for 5 seconds. There's about $4 to be earned here right now per day. So you can also use this as a guide for you to decide how much money you actually want to make on that day on time bucks. There's offers for clicking an ad. There's offers for you to sign up to Ysense. There's offers for you to sign up to different apps here that you are going to then obviously save your proof to say this is what I've already signed up in. Usually they just require a screenshot for you to show them that you've actually done the task that they require you to do, and then you're going to hear ka-ching, and the money is now back in your e-wallet. As mentioned earlier, you can also make money doing referrals as well as checking out offer walls, but I just feel like TimeBucks is one of those websites that I've actually tried out, and I feel like I can see where the money is coming from, and I'm finding it very easy for me to be able to also make that money. There's different things that you can do on the offer walls. You can either download apps such as Sushi Empire. If you play for a couple of levels, you stand to make about $2.71. Same thing with Deluxe Block Jewel. Same thing, you get to earn about $1.92. So you get to decide, again, like I said, how much you actually want to make on the website. But it's an easy website for you to find yourself easily making, say, maybe $10 a day. And again, like I mentioned with survey sites, this is not where you're going to get rich and turn into a millionaire. But if you have, say, maybe 10 of these sites, and on a daily basis, say, for example, I've already made $1.4. On a daily basis, you decide you're going to try and make $3 per site. $3 times 10 different sites that you have open on your computer in the background while you're at work. That's an easy $30 for you to make on a daily basis. $30 times 5 days a week, you are easily making $150. By the time you're done, it's the end of the month, you've already made $150 times 4 weeks, which is about $400. Multiply that by 17. Guys, you can easily make money for rent just by using these websites that I sometimes suggest. So I feel like TimeBucks is definitely one of those websites that you can check out if you're trying to earn money just watching ads and or doing clicks and or commenting on people's videos, and also maybe downloading apps, etc. It's definitely one of the websites that I'd recommend, especially because here is the proof. The proof is in the pudding. Here is the money. We can all see it. They do have a withdrawal threshold of about $10, which I feel like is not hard to get to. So you could easily quickly get to it and actually start getting paid just by using TimeBucks. If you've enjoyed this video, please do reward me by hitting the like button so that it can do well on YouTube's algorithm, and also for it to obviously keep showing up in other people's faces. And if you haven't already, please do subscribe to the channel and leave your notifications on so that you never miss out on any of the content that happens here on Mbali Talks. Without further ado, I'm going to see you guys in the next Mbali Talks video. Cheers!